Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix a common problem, Duo Mobile not working on a new iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure the Duo Mobile is installed on your iPhone. Open the App Store, search for the Duo Mobile and install if it's not already there. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. Now, one of the most common reasons Duo does not work on your new phone is that the account was never reconnected. Installing the app alone is not enough. If you still have your old iPhone, this is the easiest fix. Open Duo Mobile on your old iPhone. Once you are in, tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Connect a new phone. A QR code will appear. Now open Duo Mobile on a new iPhone. Choose Transfer Account from another device and scan the QR code from your old phone. Wait a few seconds. Your Duo account should now appear on your new iPhone. Now let's check one important thing, notifications. Go to your iPhone settings. Now tap on notifications. Then tap Duo Mobile. Make sure allow notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on General. Then background app refresh and make sure it's turned on for Duo Mobile. Finally test it, try logging in again. When you receive a Duo push notification, tap approve. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to fix Duo Mobile when it's not working on a new iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.